If you need to convert 330 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres, here's how you do it. So our conversion factor, that's that 1 atmosphere equals 760 millimeters of mercury. So what we do is we multiply our 330 millimeters of mercury times our conversion factor. So we want millimeters of mercury to cancel out. So we're going to put 760 millimeters of mercury in the denominator, and we want to end up with atmospheres. So we'll put 1 atmosphere here in the numerator. This is our conversion factor. So now when we multiply, we have millimeters of mercury on the top and the bottom. That cancels out, and we're left with atmospheres. That's what we're looking for. So 330 divided by 760, that equals 0.4342. Let's call it 0.434. And the atmospheres, those are the units. That's all that's left up here in terms of units, and that tells us that we set it up correctly. It's Dr. B converting 330 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Thanks for watching.